You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, this expression in French. It's pronounced the French pronunciation, and in English I know it's quite different. Chez. Now, in English it's generally pronounced chez, as in, you're gonna have, and it means at somebody's place, okay? If you say chez Robert, for example, it means at Robert's, alright? Chez ma maman, at my mom's, chez. The French pronunciation is chez. It's a short e sound, okay? Not a, there's no diphthong, just chez, okay? But in English it's generally pronounced chez. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.